In what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 16.66% on selling the mixture at cost price? Now, here we want to find out the ratio of water to milk. Okay. Now, these kind of questions can easily be done by the alligation technique. We can assume the cost price of water as 0. So we write down 0 over here. Let's assume the cost price of milk to be rupee 1. Now he is selling the mixture at this cost price. That means the selling price of mixture will also be 1. So we are writing the cost price of water is 0. The cost price of milk is 1. Now we cannot write down the cost price of the mixture as 1 as well, because we have the selling price of mixture as 1. So writing down 1 here would be a mistake. So what needs to be written here, we can easily get by using the formula of selling price equal to cost price into multiplying factor. Now here the gain is of 16.66%. So the multiplying factor will be 1 plus. Because it is gain, it is plus. And the fraction equivalent of 16.66 is 1 upon 6. So the multiplying factor becomes 7 upon 6. So let's substitute it here. So selling price is 1 of the mixture. Cost price of the mixture we have to find out, and the multiplier is 7 upon 6. So we get the cost price of the mixture as 6 upon 7. Okay. So we have 6 upon 7 over here. Now we can cross subtract. Now 1, I can write it down as 7 upon 7 to make the denominator as 7. So 7 minus 6, I get here 1 upon 7. Now 0, I can write it down as 0 upon 7 so that the subtraction is easy. So 6 minus 0, we get 6 upon 7. So this is water, this is milk. So this is the ratio 1 by 7 is to 6 by 7. 7 gets cancelled. So the answer comes as 1 is to 6. So answer is option A. Now there is a shortcut trick over here as well. It is applicable when the mixture is sold at cost price. When the mixture is sold at cost price, water to milk ratio is nothing but the fraction equivalent of the profit percentage. So you can see the profit percentage is 16.66. The fraction equivalent of that is 1 is to 6. So we get the ratio as water to milk ratio as 1 is to 6. So this is a shortcut trick. You can use it directly.